right, when trying to determine the slope of a line, make sure that you use our slope formula. So I've got y2 minus y1, and then I've got x2 minus x1. And I always like to label my points first. I think that that helps a lot. So I'm just going to say that this one's x1, y1, x2, y2. So then when I plug stuff in, it's a lot easier. So I'm just going to plug that in. So I've got that our slope is 8 minus 6. So y2 minus y1, and then 3 minus 1. I'll simplify that. So 8 minus 6 gives me 2. 3 minus 1 gives me 2. So my slope turns out to be 1. You can also graph this. So I've got 1 comma 6. So my first point will be right here. My second point will be 3 comma 8. So you can graph the line, draw the line through there, and then figure out the slope that way. So I'm going up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1. So that means that my slope would be 1. If you guys have any questions on this, please let me know.